Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am here with a card kit collaboration hosted by Cindy Vernon here on the YT. And there's 14 of us that is participating in this collaboration. So I will link my project share video down below, which was, this is how I, packaged it up. And this was my card. So, I made 6 of these for the swap. So I made 5, then a hostess, and then I made 1 to give away. So I will be giving away this card kit. And I did this video once before, and this was my prototype card. And then this is the card that I made on the other video. But I was all out of frames. So I said I could not put that video out. So I'm going to have to do it all over. So let me show you guys what comes in the kit. And then we're going to put it together. So you'll have your card base, rose gold layering piece, and then this piece to layer right on top. You will have your lace. You will have this little oval scallops. And then you will have your sentiment on it. And then your butterflies. The requirements for this card kit, you had to have like a sentiment and like layers and stuff like that. So I'm not really a card maker, but I wanted to try something new. So this is what I came up with. So let's put it all together. So first things first, you use whatever adhesive that you want, and we're going to do it like that. So we're going to do this like this, and then we're going to lay the lace down, but lay it scallop side down. And just smooth it over. You're going to run it from the back, and you might as well just put it all up here. And fold this back, and then put a little bit here. You put it here, and you run it down. Very simple, easy card. I was gonna do some like stamp images and all of that, but I was like, I don't know. Some people may not have the stuff to color it, to color with. So I said I'm gonna do it as easy as possible. So you just have to make sure it's even on all sides, and then stick it down. That looks pretty even to me. Let's see. Okay. That looks pretty even to me. If you get like glue, just wipe it off. So that's how it looks. I'm going to layer this on top of my card base. Make sure it's even to your liking. Guess that'll be okay. A little crooked, but everything handmade ain't perfect. That's why it's handmade. And you're gonna get your dimensionals. Then I have my jewels that I put on the card. So I'm going to use this Nouveau Deluxe glue. I'm going to put it on the back and adhere it. Oops, it wants to go before I even finish putting the rough on. So you put that like that. And you take this, one, two. So when I made my kit, like I explained in my last video, I wanted to do so much more, but I had to stay with the $3 I kept on playing in my head. $3, Shaniqua, $3. So we're gonna lay this here, right? So we're gonna take our butterflies, put it down the middle, or however you can use the card, my card kit. You can use it however you want. You can use it like this. I put this down a little bit. Let's see. Oh, it's pretty close. Then you put this one here. Right. Then just a little butterfly. Like I said, you could do it however you want, but this is just how I intended my card kit to be. Okay. Then you're gonna put your jewels in here, your gems. I did provide all of that in the kit. So you will have everything you need in, like I said, in the kit. Let's see if I can even pick it up. Okay. Yeah. If you hear the noise in the background, it's my daughter. She's sleeping. She fell asleep in my craft room. So I'm going to put her in her bed after I do this video. Oh. Okay. So I'm gonna have to, just a little crooked here. So I have to make this straight. Okay. So like I said, that is my card. And all the butterflies are three-dimensional. And here goes all 3 cards. So guys, I'm giving away this card set, and then I'm going to give away a kit that I've made. And you can put the what you call it together. You can use this topper again. It's not even adhered down a lot, but we're gonna use this. You can actually use the topper in the bag and have your own packaging. It's 2 bags. You can take one off or whatever, like I said. So you have to be a subby of mine in order to win these. It'll be 2 people, and this is going to be a quick turnaround. So once this video airs on Sunday, I will be picking my winner on Wednesday of this week, which will be the 10th. Yeah, the 10th. So one lucky winner will be getting this card set. I'm going to make a box for it. And then one lucky winner will get a card kit. So this is how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to give the card kit to an existing subby, which meaning you are already my subscriber before this video aired, and then all my new subscribers after this video. If I gain any new subscribers, then you will get this right here, this card kit. So guys, I want you to comment down below what's your favorite Prima paper. Whichever one is your favorite Prima paper, I want you to comment that below, and then you'll be able to be entered into the giveaway. So like I said, go over and show everybody some love. I will link down below all the video I did on the project share and all the products that I've used if you were interested. So guys, with that being said, I love you for free, and there's nothing you can do about it. Until next time, bye-bye.